everyone. Welcome again to BK's Creations. Today's activity is very simple. It's something especially for our parents. It's also for the teachers in the classroom as well. This is something that I've been doing for several years now. I get a poster board. Again, the poster board, I get it from the dollar store. I get a red Sharpie and a black Sharpie. The red Sharpie, I print the uppercase letters, which are the big letters, and in black I print the lowercase letters, which are the small letters. Now, this is something that the children will grasp immediately. This is what I usually do. I say, okay, boys and girls, when I point to a red letter, you're going to tell me and show me that it's an uppercase letter. And then I tell them, an uppercase letter is Mama A, Papa A. And if I point to a black letter, you're going to tell me it's lowercase letter, baby letter, chiquito letter. And that is something that the kids love. Believe me, they will immediately grasp onto uppercase and lowercase. Now, let's continue with this famous song that I love. This is a song that the kids will actually listen to and they will follow along. It's called the Alphabet's Bone Song. Please pay attention to the lyrics.
There are 26 wonderful letters in the alphabet, and they all have to be in a special order. Why don't you and I sing this song to learn how they all go together?
Them bones, them A, B, C bones, them bones, them A, B, C bones, them bones, them A, B, C bones. Oh, hear how the alphabet goes.
Well, the A bone's connected to the B bone, the B bone's connected to the C bone, the C bone's connected to the D bone, the D bone's connected to the E bone, and the E bone's connected to the F bone, the F bone's connected to the G bone, the G bone's connected to the H bone, and that's how the alphabet goes.
Can I do the next one?
Sure!
Well, the H bone's connected to the I bone, the I bone's connected to the J bone, the J bone's connected to the K bone, the K bone's connected to the L bone, and the L bone's connected to the M bone, the M bone's connected to the N bone, the N bone's connected to the O bone, and that's how the alphabet goes. Them bones, them A, B, C bones, them bones, them A, B, C bones, them bones, them A, B, C bones. Oh, hear how the alphabet goes.
Okay, now, let's move on to the letter O. Well, the O bone's connected to the P bone, the P bone's connected to the Q bone, the Q bone's connected to the R bone, the R bone's connected to the S bone, and the S bone's connected to the T bone, the T bone's connected to the U bone, and the U bone's connected to the V bone, and that's how the alphabet goes. Okay, now, let's finish up the alphabet together.
Okay.
Well, the V bone's connected to the W bone, the W bone's connected to the X bone, the X bone's connected to the Y bone, the Y bone's connected to the Z bone. After the Z bone, it's time to go home, and that's how the alphabet goes.
Them bones, them A, B, C bones, them bones, them A, B, C bones, them bones, them A, B, C bones. And that's how the alphabet goes. And that's how the alphabet goes. Yeehaw!
Well, I hope that you liked it as much as I do. And please don't forget to ask your kids, ask your students, boys and girls, what's the difference between an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter? Ask them, are the red letters uppercase? Are they lowercase? That will definitely help your children a lot. Okay? Well, that was everything for tonight. But believe me, I have many, many more things coming up soon. Thank you.